Welcome to a new session. I am Ravi Kumar and today's topic is computer software. Computer software is a set of instructions or commands. In computer science, we have various types of software like media players, VLC, MS Office, Paint, Notepad, calculator, games. They are the softwares examples. Softwares. Software. Why we need software? This is the first question. Software provide a comfortable environment for perform any particular task. According to user install your softwares. Now, software are two types: system softwares and application softwares. Now, first one is system software. System software support your computer systems for the working smoothly and effectively. System software is very must for your computer system. On now your screen show a booting process. When you restart computer system, check your all the device, that is called booting process. Now this is now your screen, so a BIOS screen. This is called BIOS. BIOS full form is basic input output system. It is store all type of devices connect with your computer. First is operating system. Operating system is interface between user and computer hardwares. Second is device driver. Students, your computer system have various types of devices. Every devices have must install its drivers. Like if you install any other devices like Bluetooth, you must be install a driver. Sound card must be installed driver. Without driver, your any device not run. Next is middleware. Middleware is an interface. Like don't confuse on operating system and middleware. Middleware is also work like operating system but inside on the CPU. Firmware. All the system software is work for the system. They are form of similar types. Normal user not understand the system's files, but special user can understand. Program language translator. Dear students, we use high level language and computer understand only machine language. So you must require for the language translator. High level language translated by compiler, interpreter. So this work performed by system software, not for the user. Next is utility software. Utility software have wide range. Utility software mainly used for the user utilization power. Now I explain all utility software's range. Dear students, utility software is basically used for the user use your computer comfortably and safety. The first one is antivirus. Antivirus is antidote of viruses. Everybody here computer has various types of virus. In the market we have also various types of antivirus. Antivirus save to your computer system to virus. Next is disk format partition. In your hard disk, your all memory is divided in some disk like disk C, D, E, F. When you want to change any types of partition, that time we use disk partition. Next is disk fragmentation. When we store any data in computer system, any data is stored in any place, that time some places are make a vacuum or space. That time some spaces are unwanted, unusually free. But with the help of disk fragmentation, solve this the problem. Now you show your screen. This is the disk fragmentation. In the above line, the white line is show the free spaces, and the down below line is show your final after disk fragmentation space. Next is file compression. When you want save your data, large data in a small size, that time use a special software that is called file decrement. Now your screen shows some decrementation software like RAR, WinZip. This is the example of file compression. Data backup. Always you hear take your backup data. So this method or system allow to take your data backup on the whole systems. When your system lost, you easily recover for that problem. Next is hardware diagnostics. Diagnostics, that means repair. Sometimes our hardwares have some nominal problems. So this utility option hardware diagnosis solve that problem. Next is data recover. After backup, you must be want to recover your data. When your system problem or not work properly, that time you use your backup file and recover all data. Last one is firewall. Firewall is a wall between virus and your computer system. It secure your computer system to viruses. Application software. Application software perform a particular task according to user requirement. We have various types of application software in your computer system. So we have some basic types of application software. First one is word processing. Which types of software support word processing? Word processing, that means which time when we change any type of word, colors, font, this type of operation is called word processing. You also heard MS Word, Notepad, WordPad. This is a word processing software. Next is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is a combination of number of rows and columns. It's in a form of table. You can easily store your data on this software. You also use MS Excel for the storing data. Next is desktop publishing software. Dear student, how to look your desktop, how to work your desktop. This facility provided by desktop publishing. You also seen on your mobile theme. Theme is change your color, font, icon size or appearing. This type of facility providing by desktop publishing software. Database software. Database software, MS Access is the example of database software. In database, we can make relationship between two or more data relationship. Next is communication software. Communication is very important. So in computer system, we have various types of communication softwares. Every app is also belong to software. So we have Skype, Zoom. This is the example of, and many more for communication. WhatsApp is a very famous. Now this time we use WhatsApp. Next is presentation. Presentation is a combination of images, audio, video in well arranged. That is called presentation. And when we say presentation, definitely you just think PowerPoint. PowerPoint is the mostly used for the making of presentation. Next is internet software. Internet software support to your internet, like that web browser. We have various types of web browsers, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. These softwares help to connect internet. Last one is email programs. Email program, Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail. This is a email sending or receiving program. I hope you understand all type of computer softwares. So students, care your softwares. Also you. Thank you.